Obviously, we have to do a job on Brown and Kemba Walker. Those two guys are extremely capable of carrying a team.
We just, once the ball got tipped, you could tell that the Celtics were coming straight at us, and we weren't ready to take the punch.
Jarrett Allen blocked at the rim by Daniel Tice.
You know, for us tonight to come out the way we did on the defensive end was tremendous.
Our defensive intensity was good for most of the game. Obviously, our offense fed off that.
Walker for three.
Life is good right now for Jaylen Brown.
Kemba again.
33 points in 19 minutes.
I'm just grateful just to be put in, in position to have responsibility and have weight, and I've looked forward to the challenge.
It's all Celtics tonight, up big.
Today, being back on our home floor, we wanted to make sure that we came out and played with great energy, and we did.
Celtics in the win column and off to Chicago. The final score, Boston 141, Cleveland 103. Biggest home win for the Celtics in over 5 years.